this video, we are going to solve the partial differential equation of standard type 3, where the function is of the form y comma p comma q is equal to 0. So the first question is solve pq is equal to y. So here the first step is we have to assume p is equal to a in the given equation, which gives you a into q is equal to y, which implies q is equal to y by a. Already we know that dz is equal to pdx plus q dy because z is a function of x and y. So dz is equal to p is assumed as a, so we can take a dx plus q is y divided by a into dy. So integrating this, z is equal to, here it becomes ax plus here this becomes y square by 2 and then a plus the arbitrary constant c. So now this is called the complete integral. Next is to find the singular integral. As usual, we have to differentiate partially with respect to c so that we get the result as 0 equal to 1, which is an absurd result. Therefore, there exists no singular integral. Next is coming to general integral. As usual, we have to take c is equal to function of arbitrary constant a, and then differentiating partially with respect to a and eliminating a, we obtained the general integral. Next question is q is equal to py plus p square. Again, let us assume here p is equal to a, which means that q is equal to ay plus a square. So now again we can take the expression dz is equal to p dx plus q dy to get the complete integral. So z is equal to p is nothing but a dx plus q is ay plus a square into dy. So integration, it gives z equal to ax plus here a y square by 2 plus a square y plus c, which is the complete integral. So now to obtain the singular integral, as usual, we can differentiate partially with respect to c, which gives you 0 is equal to 1, which is an absurd result, so that we can conclude there exists no singular integral. Next, coming to general integral, we have to take c is equal to function of a, and then we have to differentiate partially with respect to a, and eliminating a, we obtained the general integral.
That's it for this session. Thank you for watching.